Yummy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
2,000 years later.
Today I'm just going to be walking you through from start to finish this extreme makeover in my kitchen. It was looking crazy in here, so I just had to flip it. So let's get into it. Alright, so we are on day one of redoing this kitchen, this prison-like kitchen almost. I'm gonna be just putting some wallpaper up. Probably gonna be doing some fresh paint on the cabinets. I may put some wallpaper, contact paper on there too. I'm definitely gonna change this backsplash out, put something fresh on there, and change this countertop out. I'm supposed to be getting a new stove. That stove is just earthly ghetto. And yeah, putting some new tables and chairs and accessories, and of course lots of plants, so stay tuned. You know I'm going straight for the clearance when I come into any store, and Target is no different. So we're gonna see what they got up in here, Yo, shout out to that little $3 and $5 section in Target when you first walk into. You always be having the best finds. So I actually just found this really good looking wallpaper. It's only $5. Thinking I could take this and put this on the kitchen cabinets. They got a lot of cute color. Oh, this is a nice one. It's a nice decor. Alright, so right now I'm just taking the cabinets off, drilling those off. I'm going to be painting the crevices and putting some $5 wallpaper down from Target. Shout out to Target. So we'll see how this works. Alright, so I got all of the top cabinets off. I'm about to just wash down the in-between spaces so I could paint those a nice white, bright white color. Wash these, what do you call it, cabinets down, change out the knobs, and then I'm gonna spray paint the hinges black. So let's see how that goes. So the first coat of white is pretty much dry, so I'm gonna go and add a second coat just to like make it pop a little more. But yeah, I'm gonna add a second coat of white. Took off the knobs and the hinges from the cabinets. I'm soaking them and kind of scrubbing them down before I spray paint them. I'm about to take my trusty, dusty wallpaper scraper and use this just to smooth out the paper so there aren't any bubbles. It's super simple. I just cut it out and place over. Alright, you get the point. I can't keep doing this with one hand, but yeah, just take this, brush it down, and voila. I literally keep opening the door from Amazon deliveries, but my cabinet handles just came, so I get to try them and put them on. Just put the first coat, or not coat, but the first sheet of contact paper up. I am loving it so far, so we'll see how all of them look. Right, and the top cabinets are done. I'm exhausted between painting and then putting all the contact paper on. Definitely took me like 6 hours. I don't know, I've been up since like 8. It's now like 2 or 3, I don't even know. But I'm done finally. It's looking good. It's coming along. I'm really digging it. I'm about to get lunch and go to Lowe's to get up some more stuff. I'm gonna get some appliance spray so I can fix all that because that's looking funky up there. And to spray the refrigerator down as well. But yeah, so far so good. Alright, day 2. It's like 7 in the morning, so excuse my voice if it's a little raspy. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to get the rest of these cabinets done today. Paint over the bottom crevices again as well. I was able to paint this wall yesterday, so I'm gonna hit another coat of that. Came out good though. It's much cleaner than it was. And then I'm gonna do this backsplash. Side note, don't ever spray epoxy appliance spray in like a studio apartment. The fumes were ridiculous. Like, I had to leave the house for a couple hours and open like the windows I could. It just, yeah, it wasn't a good look with the toxins. But anyway, we're gonna move on. The smell has subsided, so thank God. If I have more energy, I am going to try to do this side of the wall with the wallpaper today because the rest of it came from Amazon yesterday. So let's see what we do. Alright, so I got the inside of the cabinets all painted. That's drying. But before I put the cabinets and stuff back on, I'm actually going to put the backsplash and the countertop on just because I don't want to be like bumping into it and scrape it. So I'm gonna just move top down. But I actually found this contact paper at the dollar store, and if anybody lives in LA, you know that the 99-cent store is like gold. It's not your typical dollar store, so never underestimate the dollar store. But I'm gonna put this backsplash all around here and keep it moving. All right. Be gone, stove. Alright, so the backsplash is all done and put up. New stoves installed, thank the Lord. About to scrub this countertop down and then put some all black contact paper. So stay tuned. I'm like trimming around the sink. I'm just taking my wallpaper scraper thingy, whatever you want to call it, And I just line it up against, and then I take my box cutter and I just use it as a guide to cut around the space. And then that's how you get that crispy edge. Just cut, use that as the space. And it's crispy. Alright, so I'm done. I'm so exhausted. I can't even think straight. The countertop is done. All the cabinets are done. Backsplash is done. I'm done with this side of the room. So yeah, it's coming along. I'm feeling the vision. It's starting to warm up. So next I'm on to this side of the room. Get rid of all of this gook. Alright, well, we're gonna do that tomorrow because I'm tired. So I think that's a wrap for today. Peace. So I got some extra energy for the day. So I'm gonna try to just finish putting this wallpaper up on the other wall so I can be done putting stuff up and I can just get to accessories and actually designing. But gotta do the hard nitty-gritty stuff first. Thingies off of clearance and TJ Maxx. I got this cute thing. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. It's either gonna be between this or this. I don't know. Yeah, I found these at the thrift store. So this is like $2. I'm gonna put this up somewhere. And these kind of backsplash things. I don't know where they go. I'm gonna put them up probably on here somewhere, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I found somebody's car is always beeping. So I was out one day and found this cardboard like box thing in the trash. But so I'm gonna spray paint this black and then do something cool with these flowers pieces that I bought a while ago. So we should see how. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, and follow me on Instagram. I'm about to eat my popcorn and go to bed. Until next time. Peace.